Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to you all to our page. Good news. I hope you all are fine and safe. Here I am fine and safe too. I'm Niharika Kundaprati. I'm a content writer at Interview Times. I feel very happy to interact with you through a video content like this. I usually write articles regarding technology and business, but today I came up with a video content to interact with you even more with a beautiful expression. So here today I'm making a video on how to make a reading habit. How to make a reading habit. Beautiful to hear, right? And especially keeping precise to the point, I'm going to tell you how to read English books effectively and make it as a habit. So I hope you all are interested to know about this because we all we've been brought up hearing from our elders and parents saying that read books, read magazines, read newspapers that will increase your knowledge and it will expand your vision. Right, they say like this, but for unfortunately or fortunately, we do sometimes we make it, some people make it, and some people don't make it. So, if you are planning to make a reading habit, especially English, I'm keeping precise to the point, especially English. If you are precise and if you are determined to make a habit, then this video is going to help you really. So dear friends, as a beginner, we determined, yes, we are determined, yes, I have to make a reading habit, I have to start reading English books, I have to improve myself. We have decided like that. After deciding, you face three major problems. As a beginner, you face three major problems. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about what are the three major problems as well as the solutions for them. So I hope you are quite interested, and here I'm very excited to share with you. Okay, so what is the first problem as a beginner faces when a person starts to, determine to read books and make it a habit? The first problem is that where to find these books. So first problem, where to find these books? The answer to this question is I'll be giving you all the 5 website links below. You can go and surf through all the 5 websites where you can get ample of jars and ample of books absolutely free of cost. Of course, couple of them are there in those websites paid books also available, but you can go with free books. So the first problem is the way to find the books. Traditional way is going and buying in the stationaries or markets like that, but you need to spend a lot of money on them, right? And you don't guarantee that you'll complete the book after buying. So why to take risk? Just go with online. So many online websites are there. What I felt that these are very good for beginners. Not only beginners, even everyone can read from there. But what I say, I'll tell you even eventually and neatly how to go through them and all. So as a beginner, it's better you don't buy books from the market because you can't guarantee after buying the book you will read it or not. So better go with online. Go with free books. We should thank internet for this. Good news, right? So go to these websites and you'll find ample of free books there. First question, got the answer. Okay, now coming to the second question. You got a store of many books. So which books should I choose? Or which genre should I choose? As a beginner, a major confusion to many people this thing. So which should I choose? If you ask me this question, I would say that choose of your interest. Choose a book of your interest. That's what the problem, right? I don't know what is my interest. What kind of books interest me? At that point of time, there are two solutions. One thing, you watch movies, right? Everyone doesn't read books, but maximum everyone watches movie. So for suppose you like romantic movies, so try to choose romantic books. And if you like action, suspense, thriller, or horror, go with suspense and horror books. Fiction, non-fiction, go with that kind of books. This is one kind of way that you can choose your interest. And coming to the second way, Just choose randomly, read at least one book in each and every genre, and then you'll find your interest. So you got the answer for first question, that is where will I get books? You got the answer. And second question, you got the books, I mean you got the store of books, but what should I choose? What is my interest and what's my genre that interests me? You got two answers. One is just read each and every book, one book from each and every genre, and you find your interest. Or else, just if you what kind of movies interest you, just choose the same kind of genre for reading books also. Dear friends, never ever ask a suggestion to the other person that please suggest me some book, please suggest me some good book, because you and that other person don't have same interests. There's no guarantee. I mean, this won't work in every case. Maximum of the cases this fails. I like horror, that doesn't mean that you like horror. But if you ask me, Niharika, please suggest me some book, I'll definitely say that go with Sidney Sheldon horror and suspense thrillers. They're very nice, very nice. I'll say like that, but that doesn't mean that that will definitely interest you also. So never ask about the suggestion of which book should I choose. But if you know what kind of genre interests you, then you can ask a suggestion. So suggest me some good books in romance. Suggest me some good books in horror or suspense. So suggest me some good books in comedy. At that point of time, you can ask because you know what interests you. At that point of time, you can ask other person. But who knows about these genres? Okay. So now, first question, that where you get the books, you got the answer. And second question, what kind of genre should you choose? You got the answer. And now comes a very crucial question, very important thing is that you have chosen one book, and that's of your favorite genre only, that interesting you, but you can't complete the book. A very crucial problem that everyone faces as a beginner. I'm saying these are all beginners problems. You chose the book but you can't complete that. Okay, let me state you the reasons for this and how can you avoid these things. The first reason is sometimes you feel that the genre which you choose is interests you but actually doesn't. While you start reading, you lose interest in that because that's not what you want, you are getting attracted to. Sometimes we miscalculate, right? That happens. That's the first case. And coming to the second case, as a beginner, don't go with 700,000 pages, that kind of books. Don't go to ample of pages, right? Like you get overwhelmed by seeing that book itself, that width and length. As a beginner, don't go like that. Just go with a very little pages. Start with very, very little pages, very little basic. In fact, there's nothing wrong even reading 8th class, 9th class storybooks also. Nothing wrong with that because you want to make a reading habit. So go slowly, slowly. Reading is a procedure which requires a lot of patience. And be patient about that. So go with less number of pages. If there are ample of books, at ample of pages, you feel overwhelmed. This is one of the reasons that you stop reading that book. One reason is that the genre or the book that which you chose doesn't interest you. And the second thing, even though if it is interesting you, after reading of 300 400 pages, if it is of 1000 pages, you lose interest. I mean, oh god, now let's leave it, let's postpone it. That should not happen. Don't go with that many number of pages in the beginning. And coming to the third problem, okay fine, you chose a good genre book and you chose less number of pages, and what's the problem then? Still, why are you stopping to read that book? Why are you stopping? It's a very, I mean, common problem, that is complexity of the language. The book which you choose as a beginner, choose with language with less complexity, I mean easily understandable. You can comprehend that easily. There are some books where you see very typical language. So don't go with such kind of. They may ask me, Niharika, then where will I find all these three features in a book? I'd say my personal recommendation or suggestion, like go with playbooks, free books, free ebooks. Language is simpler, and less number of pages daily. Within just 15 minutes you can complete the book of book of 13 pages or 15 pages. You can easily complete, and you feel happy. I mean, yes, I have completed something, I have read something, right? And these all are okay, fine, these all are fine. You got and you got books and you started reading and you completed it. And one more major problem that even a beginner as well as a pro also faces, that is finding meanings to particular some of the words in the novel or any book. When you start reading, you feel it difficult to search for each and every meaning which you don't know. What I say, you no need to search for each and every meaning. Just understand according to the sentence, no need to search. But while you get this habituated, while you get habituated to reading, at that point of time, you automatically get the meaning. The same word may repeat in other books also. Right? Like what you say, if you say commendable, the work that he has done is really commendable. At that point of time, actually, we don't, let us suppose that we don't know the meaning of commendable, we go and search that, but according to the sentence, it's great. We are getting that sense, right? According to the sentence, yes, it's great. And while you find the same word in other books also, you'll automatically get the meaning, then no need to search for every meaning. So this is also one of the major problems, that people stop reading the book because the complex vocabulary, they keep boring to search for each and every meaning. You have to keep Google and have to search for every meaning. No need to do that, but do for some words you do, because every word you can't understand according to the sentence. At that point of time you do, but maximum avoid it. No need, not required. Okay, now I think you have got answers to the major problems faced by beginners who are trying to make reading as a habit. This I especially coordinate towards English books, that you can apply these principles in any language. Okay, now dear friends, I am giving you all the 5 website links below. You can go there and you can easily, you will definitely understand that you find ample of free books. Just type free books in the URL bar. It's very easy and absolutely free of cost. It improves your knowledge. So you may ask me that what benefit do I get from reading all these books? What's the benefit of reading? Let me state you 4 major uses what I personally experienced. First one, you get to know about different words. Vocabulary, it increases your vocabulary a lot. Second thing, it increases your focus, level of concentration. Why? Because while you read two pages, you read with some focus and some concentration. When you keep on gradually increasing that, it increases your concentration, your focus, your understanding capacity. Second benefit. And third benefit is that you'll understand the usage of grammar. At what point of time and at what situation we are using the sentences as well as words. Grammar usage, you will be very good at it. Fourth one is punctuation. You no need to separately learn the punctuation rules. If you really read the book with concentration, you no need to specially go and learn with the punctuation. And because of these 4 points, the fifth benefit is that while you go for any of the higher exams, there is one section called competitive exams, one section called English. In that you will have, where they'll give passages and you have to answer the questions below. As you are habituated to reading ample books, you will feel it very easy to answer them. You will understand because you already have great practice. So you will stand first compared to your peers, right? So these are the benefits. So you go through the links mentioned below. And dear friends, if you feel any problem in accessing these links, or while you go onto the website but you still can't access them properly, I mean you couldn't access your free books or like that, you can directly contact me. I'm providing you the telegram link of our good news, especially mine. You can ask me. And moreover, if you feel like madam, just make a content on this, video content or article on this, on a specific topic related to technology, software field, especially I'm a software engineer. So if you go with software, if you want a specific topic, you can directly message me in the telegram, so I'll try to make a video or article on that where you can access through that. So you can not only ping me regarding the software field or business startups or like that, you can ask about generalized topics also, because our good news page is such beautiful and incredible that it provides you with any kind of personalized content, because we are the team that trying to give you the better and very good information, and up to and precise to the point. No more blah 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 like that. No more promotional content in this. It's just like we'd like to provide you nice news that you feel interesting, because we believe that entertainment without enlightenment is nothing. So we try to entertain you as well as enlighten you. So if you want any personalized feed, you can directly message in the telegram, you can join through the link, and if you want anything the more I have to make or our team to give you, you can directly do that, no problem with that. And dear friends and the readers or viewers who are watching this, I would really thank you for showing this much patience and attention, and that's what a great boosting factor for us to make and beautiful content for you, to make beautiful content for you, to bring when you encourage us, like liking the page or liking commenting on our video, yeah, like that kind of feedback boosts us. I mean, yes, we have to do more research, we have to do even more content. So your support means a lot to us, because we all are here family, including you, we and everyone. Because of you only we are here and we are making this. So I conclude that I'm providing these website links for you. If you face any problem regarding accessing the books or getting books, so you can join the telegram channel. And if you strictly determined to really make the reading habit effectively reading habit, so then you can directly ping me there. And if you want a personalized content, then also you can ping me there, because I don't know what kind of genre interests you, right? I'm writing about business and technology, but I actually don't know what kind of genre interests you. So you can ask me of the personalized content also. I'll be providing you through our good news. So next time I'll be coming with very good news which interests you even more than this. So still then, keep tuned to our good news page. Keep encouraging and keep supporting. I'm Niharika Kunaparthi. Bye bye.